So today we are filming today's wedding at Smokies Park Hotel in Oldham. So let's take you for a little walking tour. The wedding cars have arrived and we're just about to go into the wedding room for a view of the wedding reception. They're actually getting married at a church today. The bride's getting ready in one of the rooms up here in the hotel. And I'm just going to give you a quick walking tour. Of how the room's laid out for a wedding reception. There we go. That's our other wedding car. I'll just show you the bar area as well. So this will be the drink reception later, for when the church service is over. And this is our bar. Okay, let's take you back inside to the Medlock Suite. So we're at the Medlock Suite here. Looks like we've got about 90 guests here today. It's all laid out. We've got the sparkling dance floor laid out, which is not turned on yet, but it will be later on. There is another bar here in a room. Room holds about 200 guests or so. I think there'll be around about just over 100 here now. Looks like there's 100 guests booked for the wedding. And there'll be a few more arriving later on for the evening entertainment. And we'll conclude the video there. Okay, so this is Smokies Park. And this is what it looks like when it's all laid out for a wedding reception. So, thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one. Oh, if you do like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe.